Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in this video, basically what I'm doing is just adding on to my JavaScript snake and adding on more animations to it. So right now it's just the same snake that we had in a few videos ago, but in this video we'll be adding some animations where it changes shapes by changing the border radius value for every second. So let's get started. So I already declared my animation property right here, where I gave it the name of animate, an animation duration of 2 seconds, a timing function of ease in and out, so it will start out slow then end fast, and it will just repeat itself. The animation will just run again and again endlessly. So since we already have our animation done, we can call our keyframes and the name of our animation, which is animate, and at 0% I want the border radius to be 50%, 50%, 50%, 0. So the top left, top right, and bottom left will be rounded, but the bottom right will still be 90 degrees. That's basically what that is doing. Then at 10%, we want the border radius to change to 50%, 50%, 0, 0. And at 20%, and obviously you can make these values your own, but I just wanted to show you that you can also add this feature onto your snake to make it even more interactive. So I'll just do 50%, 0, 0, 0. Then at 30% I'll give it a different value, maybe 0, 50%, 50%, 0, or just 50% or 30. It doesn't really matter what you give it. The more random the value is, the cooler it'll. So I can do 0, 0, 50%, 50%. Then after that I can do 50% border radius, 0, 0, 0, 50%, 60%. I'll just do border radius 0, so it'll just be a square. 70%. I'll just do border radius 70%, 30%, 40%, 20%, and then maybe 50%. And then border radius 10%, 20%, 40%, and 20%. And then 90%. Once the animation is 90% complete, I'll do border radius 50%, 0, 50%, 0. And then once the animation has completed, we'll do border radius 0, 50%, 50%, 20%. And now if you take a look at our snake, you'll notice that it looks like it's sort of dancing. And if we want the snake to dance even slower, all we have to do is change the duration to make it last longer, maybe 4 seconds. So now it's going to be 2 times slower than it was before. Or we can make it faster. Now it's dancing very rapidly. Maybe it's having a seizure, I don't know.
What?
Anyways, this is it for the video. I thought it would be cool to show you guys this, because there's a lot more you can do to the snake other than just making it slither. So be creative, keep coding, and I'll see you again in my next video.